Fine. So now after that, you can go ahead to here. Okay, like this and this. First circle and do one circle. Here is the see. This is the three circle I do. First one for head, one per body, torso, one per pelvis. The first circle this. Okay, I make the next circle over here. This circle, next circle for the head. Okay, here for the chest. Make a circle like this, simple circle. Okay, and add it like this. You, yeah, this is surprise. And the next third circle, I do the third circle. Okay, first circle, second circle, third circle I do over here. It's a little small, like this. Okay, fine. And this is also can add it. This also you can add it, like do first like this. You imagine what character it is? Can you imagine? Okay. No, not imagine. Okay. Okay, who tell first this character what is one? Okay. Okay. So now you can create here after that. Now you can tell what character. I just make the next steps over here. Okay, three after this circle. Done. You can create here. Who says first? Who says first the character name? Now it's a It's a who says yes, right, from Mona, yeah, perfect, yeah, so first draw this line. Okay, like this, then draw this line, and then do this line. Okay, there's three circles. Okay, first do the aram se, take time. Okay, now don't need to hurry up. Take time. First do these things. Just do these things. Okay, here, one move like this. 1, 2. You do 1, 2. You do 1, 2. So more feather I add over here. Okay, and then all feather it's little small. 1, 2. Aram se 1, 2. So it will come small. Okay, fine. It comes small and smaller and smaller. So make one leg here. This is one leg. Okay, and make two leg here. 1, 2. So make two leg, one leg here, two leg. Sorry, beta, tell me again. Yeah, I show you again. No, don't worry. Okay, how to draw? First, I show you again over here. Okay, make circle first. Number 1, you can draw the 3 circle. Okay, one circle for head. This is the head. Okay. One circle for head, one circle for torso, one circle for pelvis. So head, torso, pelvis. So I just make here head, here torso. Yeah. All drawing, all animal, head, torso, pelvis. This is important. Okay, first do this step 1. Step 1, do this. Okay. Yes. Tell me. Yes. circle and oval. So now after that I just create here step 1. First do this. I step over here, okay, just make it here like 1, like this, okay, this part, and this is a big line, okay. Make sure here you can create the big eyeball, and this shapes like a, okay, like a oval kind of. Okay, you can't see the eyes. You using mobile or laptop? What's okay? So I can create this 3 circle, 1, 2, 3 circle like this, and the eyes. Okay, that's the reason it is not visible. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, I show you, okay? Yeah, so first steps do like this. First step you making the circle, and second step you make it like this, 2 circle, and you join it. Third step you just join like this, okay? Who is joined later on? For this I use this, I draw this, okay, and make the 2 leg. So now I can draw this part, okay. So what I do after that, I just make it in top of it, okay. Here I just make it like this. See, make 1 curve line, and here 1 curve line. Just make 2 curve line like this, okay. 2 curve line, okay. And after the curve line, we just make it one thing. You just go like this. 1, 2 like this. Okay, very simple. Okay, simple like this. And in down here you can put ones like this. Simple. 1, 2, 1, 2. Make it simple. Okay, like this. Okay, here just make it here. In down here you can create 1. This is the also feather. 1, 2. Very simple. 2, 3. Like very simple feather like this. 1, 2, 3. And top of it. Okay. This is a top feather. And now I can create the 2 legs only. Just simple. Already done. What I do, I just make it 1, 2. This is a leg. Okay, I just do 1, 2. Just like this. So this is 1 leg and this is the 1 leg. Okay. There's 2 legs over it. And I already done the 1, 2, 3, 1. In front 1, 2, 3 and back is 1. Okay. That is the finger, okay, foot. So just make it little bigger like this. 1, 2, 3, last 1. Here also 1, 2, 3, 1. But that's it. Okay. Okay, I just show the tail. Okay. I show the tail. This tail is that it's like do this like this. Supposed to. This is the step 1. This step. Yeah, I can outline. Okay, you can do outline. So head, this is torso, and this is a pelvis. Okay, this is pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. From pelvis, you can do like this. 1. The tail. Someone asked tail, right, beta? So make this curve, like a curve, curve. One curve, two curve, like this. One curve, two curve. But when you come down, it comes smaller. Okay, like this. The step 1, this is step 2. Okay, you just draw the eyes and draw like this and down and make this leg. Okay, this is the leg over here. Okay, so now if you want to make a border line, okay, how it looks. Okay, I will show you. Okay. Yeah, I outline it. Okay, I show the outline. I'm using this is marker only. I'm using only marker. Okay, I erasing the dark pencil line. Okay, I'm using the marker for this. See, this is the marker. Yeah, to draw through the outline. Okay, you can create the outline like this. Yeah. You can use crayon too, beta. No problem. Okay, I just show you how to outline, and if you make the outline, it looks actually great, right? It looks great. So I make outline like this because this is a feather. Okay, it's a feather over here. Make it outline, and here is a. Okay, I just make it outline or nothing else. I make. We can color, but I do first the drawing. Next drawing we should color. Okay. This drawing, aram se take time. Okay, how to make anywhere. Sorry, beta. Okay, this is also nice. Anywhere, if you facing any problem, okay, any issue, you can tell me. I show it again and again. Okay, don't worry. If you fishing anywhere, not understand any eyes, tail, leg, body, you tell me. Okay, I can show you again and again. Don't worry. Ask me questions. Okay, doubts. Yeah. Yeah, we can go to draw the Mona too. Okay. So first finish the this line. Okay, better we can go to color. Okay, come on, we can go to color. Better. This is because the hen is very colorful. So we can go ahead the yellow here, and in top of yellow occur. Yeah, in top of yellow, and it's not lemon yellow. You can use the golden yellow, other yellow. Only you can use this yellow ochre also, but yellow. Okay, this parts we are creating the green. Aram se. Okay, as I love to draw color, I know. So I can use the brown over here. Okay, this part is a brown, and this part is yellow ochre. Okay, first you can watch what color I putting, then you can put your own color. This part I put the green first, then I put the Prussian blue. Okay, first green, Viridian green. I put the first Viridian green. This part and this part I put first the Viridian green. But we are doing now like We are doing this slowly. Take time. आराम से करना. Okay. Yeah, deep green. Take time. आराम से. It's a green only, beta. It's a green only. First put the green, and then after the green you can put the Prussian blue, so its color is coming like nicely. Okay, green and Prussian blue. So do this. Okay, I put Prussian blue, and the leg is a gray color. You don't have gray color, beta, so don't worry. And here I can, okay, like this. So you can make it. I use the red cherry. Okay. So make it very light color like this, very light. And the weak color is the yellow. Put the yellow. You know, yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. Make it the yellow. Okay. Here I can put this pink. Teeth is yellow, beta. Yellow, yellow. This is the pink color, beta. Pink. Okay, I make a little shadow. Yeah, next time you can go to the mon. Okay, don't worry. I go to the mon. Yes. For shadow, a dark pink. I use a dark pink. Okay, I use a dark pink for that. Okay. So you can make it like this. Okay, a little bit of strokes, so you can take time.